All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency DOGELON Mars. All kinds of good stuff going on. We're going to do a price prediction. We're going to go to the coin market cap, see where the price is at, what it's done in the last 3 to 7 days. Also, we're going to go to their Twitter account. All kinds of good stuff going on with DOGELON Mars. Also, Discord hacking is the biggest threat now for NFT buyers. So using the Discord to get information and do it now because there's a special that we're going to cover hacking with the Discord. So everybody that uses Discord, which I know almost everybody does, this is a big thing. You don't want to get hacked. You don't want to get your money taken, your crypto taken. We're going to go over that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. So we've been talking about different cryptocurrencies, the top 7 today. Also, DOGELON Mars is in the top 5 of the meme coins. So we're going to go over an article with that, but top 5, that's pretty big. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you have some DOGELON Mars? Well, let's head over and check it out. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, DOGELON Mars is in that buying the discount stage. It's down about 11.5%. Remember, I always talk about 12%, 15, and 20. DOGELON Mars is down in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 6%. Clicking it. Again, right here, it's down 6% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 13.29. We'll come back to our price prediction a little bit later. What's been going on the last 7 days? Last 7 days was kind of stable here, and then it actually seems like it's coming down. Now, we know when the Feds talked the other day about hiking the interest rates and everything else, all the crypto has come down. So this is not a DOGELON Mars thing. This is every crypto is coming down right now. So not too surprised. Let's check out the holders and see what's been going on with DOGELON Mars in the last 90 days. Clicking holders, clicking 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, holders were about 72,000. October 12th, go all the way to January 5th, 72 goes to 125. That's about 50,000. That's about a 60% increase. So we got about a 60% increase in holders of DOGELON Mars, Elon, in just the last 90 days. That's very, very, very good. Going over to this article, top meme coins. So when you take a look at this, the top meme coins, DOGELON is right there, Dogecoin is right there, and so is Shiba. So where does it rank? So here's your rankings, everybody. So we got Dogecoin at number 1. We got Shiba Inu at number 2. SafeMoon is number 3. So again, if any of these are not on your radar, DOGELON Mars is number 4, and Shiba Inu is number 5. Actually, we're going to do a video on this one in the next day or so. All right, here we go here. So we got Dogecoin at number 1. Fantastic. We got Shiba Inu at number 2. Fantastic. SafeMoon, I like the SafeMoon's number 3. So they're fantastic. And then DOGELON Mars. This meme coin, DOGELON Mars, is themed on the Dogecoin and Tesla in 2021. The coin has massive price swings, and some feel it still has space to expand. The Ethereum-based project uses the ERC20 token standard, which applies to the use of the Ethereum network for security. The coin has a current market cap of $992 million. All right, so right there we got DOGELON in the top 5 there. And again, I like this little thing here. We got the Shiba Inu, the DOGELON, and also Dogecoin. Now here's the point. You know, a lot of times Dogecoin is at number 11 and Shiba is at number 12, where they flip-flop. I mean, but both of these coins, now Shiba at the beginning of the year wasn't there, but you got Shiba Inu and Dogecoin that's literally in the top 11, 12, 13, and DOGELON Mars is listed with, talked about with them. So you're talking about DOGELON Mars, Elon, when you're seeing these two tokens, what's going to happen is it's going to get more and more popular, more and more people are going to get it. You can go to crypto.com to get it, all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's head back over and let's go over to the Discord right now and the threat that people are doing, and they're losing their crypto and NFTs. Let's dig into this for a little bit. Definitely pay attention to this one. All right, it says right here, the Discord hacking is the newest threat for NFT buyers. So it shows how they're hacking in and stuff like that. One compromised admin account led to 2 projects being scammed in a day. So it says right here, December 21st, 2 NFT projects fell victim to the same attack. Like many projects in the crypto world, the NFT collections, Money Kingdom, Game Asset Market both engage heavily with their community through Discord chat server. Both projects were about to distribute rewards on their community members. Money Kingdom through an NFT pre-sale on the day of the 21st through a token airdrop, essentially a free distribution to early supporters a few days later. Then destruction struck. Posts appeared in the official announcement channels of each project claiming that the surprise mint would reward community members with a limited edition NFT. Hundreds jumped on the chance, but for those who followed and linked and connected their crypto wallets, a costly surprise was waiting. Rather than receiving an NFT, wallets were being drained of their Solana cryptocurrency, which both projects used for purchase. In the space of an hour from the Money Kingdom, the following Discord service has been hacked. News of the NFT mints was bogus, and the links phishing phrase, the case of friction. The scammers got away with about $150,000 in cryptocurrency. For Money Kingdom, the estimated total was reported 1.3 million. So again, in the Discord, neither attack targeted the blockchain or the tokens themselves. Instead, the thieves exploit the weakness in the infrastructure by using the sell of the tokens, especially the Discord chat room where the NFT fans gathered. So everybody, NFTs and Discord, if there's a pre-sale, God, it's going to be so tough. You get the thing in the Discord and you got an hour or two to do it and you want to jump on it. But then again, in this particular case, they end up getting scammed. So I guess in this video, bringing this up, pay attention. If you feel weird about it, I mean, again, we're just bringing this to you just so you're aware of it. If you're in the Discord and NFTs are happening and there's a pre-sale, just you want to pay attention. You know, it says right here, when a surprise drop has primed the buyers to move fast and the risk of missing out, the same technology that hypes up the sale can also open the doors to hackers. In this case, a single compromise can end up spreading to more than one community at a time. In this case, the NFT thieves has targeted a feature called the webhook. The webhooks are used by web application Discord included to listen for messages sent to the particular URLs and target an event in response, like posting content for certain channels. You can think of a webhook like a secret phone number or a unique identification that can be called or text to connect to the application on the other end. Up here at the top, Discord hacking is the newest threat for NFT buyers. So I just want to bring that to your attention, everybody. A lot of people are on Discord. A lot of people are basically doing NFTs. Pay attention. I mean, it's just, even if you, it's a tough call. Just want to let everybody know that. All right, everybody, let's head back over to DOGELON Mars. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Over here at the DOGELON Mars Twitter account, you know, a couple things. Don't mistake patience for inaction. Ideas of the actions that serve as the foundation for tactical advancements. So there's things going on behind the scenes. You know, we already knew this the other day, but deposits and withdrawals on Elon via Cronus network has just been enabled on crypto.com. So we kind of knew this the other days. We're just kind of recapping it for you that don't know. So on crypto.com, deposits and withdrawals are enabled. Fantastic. Checking out the new revamped website, DOGELON Mars. I mean, this whole entire website has been redone. Take a look at over here at the bottom, Gemini, all the different places you can get DOGELON Mars. People are always, where can I get them? Just click any of these, you can get them. I am DOGELON Mars. Join me, and together we will reach the stars. They got their comics on their website. To take a second, it's ranked 110th. Really, really nice new revamped website, everybody. All right, back over here at Coin Market Cap. What's our price prediction? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 133. I'm thinking the coin's going to go to about 300, which is a 2x. Again, by the end of the first quarter, somewhere in the first quarter, there's so much popularity with DOGELON Mars. Elon is the ticker, ELON. All kinds of things going on with DOGELON Mars. Like this a lot. Again, being mentioned with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin all the time. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Over here at the top 5, we got a lot of red on this board here. So just kind of, again, discount buy land. If you feel in your heart these projects are going to bounce back up. I know the Fed's tweeted about raising inflation 3 times in the next year, and everybody's getting scared about that or whatever. But if you feel Solana's a great project, look at it. It's down 17% right now. May want to take a look at the discount buy in the dip. If you think Luna's a great project, it's down 16% right now. You may want to take a look at that. XRP is down 6%. Binance Coin is down 11%. Ethereum itself is down 14%. And Bitcoin is at 41,004. It's down 12%. So again, check out these. If you like any of these coins for the long-term project, not just for the 1 week or the 1 day, you may want to look at these discount buys. El Salvador looks at them all the time. All right, so pay attention on your Discord. If you're buying NFTs, just pay attention to it. Don't forget, if you get a credit card from BlockFi Credit Card, you're going to actually get rewards back in Bitcoin. Also, DOGELON Mars, one of our favorite tokens. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.